Hi guys, I'm from Tactic here. Today we're doing a review on the TTI hop-up for high kappas, which is a TDC adjustable style hop-up, and the 113mm 603 GBB pistol barrel for high kappas. So to remove the slide on your high kappa, you're gonna need to pull the slide all the way to the tab here. Then you're gonna punch out on the other side the pinhole here and remove your slide catch from your slide assembly. You're gonna now pull the slide forwards and have your kappa split in half. To remove your spring assembly, you'll simply push the guide rod backwards and pull on the assembly towards the rear. Since this is short strokes, it requires a bit of pressure. And here you go. Spring assembly removed. Then you're gonna want to remove your whole outer barrel right here with your hop-up attached to it. We're gonna now set the other piece of the slide on the side. Now for your hop-up and barrel, if you wanna reuse your original bucking in this hop-up, you're gonna have to unscrew these two screws here. Be careful, they're really small and they strip easily. For this particular install, we're gonna be going straight out to the TTI hop-up and barrel. So now to assemble the TTI hop-up, you're gonna need your barrel and your hop-up. You're gonna pass your barrel through your hop-up and look at this little line here. You're gonna align the line with the bucking, which should just stay in place. There's a nub on the bucking on the other side. You're gonna push that into the hole designed so in the hop-up. You're gonna see it fits flush to the end. After that, you're gonna have to put the C-clip on, which goes under here. Now, be mindful that the C-clip has a way of going in. The two notches on the side must intersect with the notches on the barrel. Once that is in place, you're gonna take the long Allen screw and tension it. Just like this. Now you see the screw coming out of the hop-up. It is right in position, holding your barrel down in place. The tilt on the hop-up can be adjusted via this screw and can be checked by simply inserting the hop-up into the lower as so. Once you have completed the adjustments, it should look a little bit like this. Barely any movement. Now, to reassemble your slide, you're going to start with the outer barrel and hop-up assembly. You're going to insert your hop-up assembly inside of your outer barrel as such and make sure those two surfaces are flat. Once that's done, you're going to insert that into your slide as so. After that, you're going to need to take your guide rod and compress it all the way so the spring is back. You're going to insert it in here. And make sure everything is aligned perfectly. Once your slide is assembled, you can simply slide it in up to your lower and take your slide release, bring it all the way to the tab again and click it into place. The final screw right here on the slide, you just screw it in from the top while having your kappa assembled. Do not forget to remove this when you clean up your kappa, because if you just pull the slide with this adjusted, it's going to scratch everything. Now, some may wonder, is this accurate? Does that answer your question? After around 1,000 rounds, you can see there is no wear and tear whatsoever on the surfaces of the hop-up.